I believe we're live now. Sorry about not going live this morning, guys. I ended up going out to some bars last night with some friends and then meeting some girls and going skinny dipping until like 4 a.m. Got home at 4:30 and somehow magically woke up at 8:30, an hour after market open, just to trade. And somehow magically today was probably the best day I've had trading in a long time, by far since November. Best trading day I've had probably ever. A total of $2,500 of profit in on Topset X and Trade account. I have two 50K accounts right now, waiting on that fire drill for tomorrow for the 150 account because I blew that one. But I've learned my lesson. I was $400 away from being funded and I just rushed it. I just wasn't patient and I tried to do a 10 lot to get a quick buck and lost 3K in 5 minutes. So just remember to be patient with stuff, guys. Like, it's a process. This is not get rich quick. And like, don't get discouraged if you're not there in a week or a month or a year. Like, just make sure you're following your principles. And today I did that. I followed all my principles. I followed all the process. I followed all the strategies, all the rules that I had set for myself. And guess what happened? This is what happens when you decide to do that, you know? This account was down like to 48,700. So it was $700 away from liquidation. And today I turned it around and made $1,500.30 on the Topset X account. Absolutely unreal. Just freaking crazy, dude. Like, yeah, look at that. 30 trades, only 3 losing trades. I had a 90% win rate. Like, I was on fire today, dude. On fire. Like, yeah, it was good. It was a good day. A good day to start off 2024. This is going to be a short live stream, by the way, just because, yeah, obviously we're not trading or anything. And I don't know. I also got a question for some of you in the comments. Do you think Bookmap is a good thing to purchase, the $49 a month? Do you think it's worth it? I do base my trades off volume, momentum, and liquidity zones mainly. That's what I do. That's my strategy. So I do think it would fit perfectly, but that extra $50 a month is kind of, I don't know, it's got my head spinning a little bit. So someone in the comments, please drop me your opinion on it. I'm gonna do some more research myself, obviously, duh. But let's go ahead and check out the Trade account. Yeah, so the Trade account over here, we're now at 51,244. We're about halfway there to passing the challenge. Take a look at the profits today on this account was $656 on top of the $1,500. So $2,100 in profits in one day on my very first day of trading of 2024. And yeah, all it took was just following my strategy, holding myself accountable, holding the winning trades. A good tip I guess I could give you is put your stop loss once you're winning a trade kind of halfway through to make sure that way you always win every trade and don't lose any money. Just put your stop loss in profit and then keep it tight. Like, my main stop loss right now is 130 and I only traded with one contract all day long. I don't know why it says 2 here, but oh, it's because that's crude oil or whatever. Yeah, all I traded was the NASDAQ today, and I just did one contract all day long and made $2,200. So you do not need to trade with 5 contracts or 10 or 15 to make thousands of dollars a day. That is a joke. And I learned that lesson today, and I'm going to continue to follow that because, damn, bro, I did damn good, and I'm proud of myself. Like, because I was on a losing streak for almost the last 3 weeks of December. I think most people were, though. But yeah, it looks like we're gonna be passing this challenge here within the next by the end of January for sure. I want to have my 150K challenge passed by March. I'm gonna take that one real slow as well, and then we'll be managing up to $250,000 for Top Step by March with the XFA accounts. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep practicing principles, and risk management is number one thing by far. Capital preservation. So the more profit I make, the smaller my stop loss becomes. And also just looking for key levels, key liquidity zones is huge. Volume and momentum. That's all I did today, and it worked out pretty well. That's just my strategy. I can't really go into it more than that. I don't know how to explain it because I don't really use indicators. I think that shit's a bunch of baloney. I do on TradingView. I use the Trendline Lux Algo indicator, which does help me make like a couple point moves here. So like right here, like if this does break down again, we could see it drop back down to 16,684. Am I going to take that trade? No. I'm done for the day because I've made what I needed to make. I'm walking away with a win. I'm just relaxing for the rest of the day, resting. I'm going to go do something else, just hang out and, you know, enjoy the day. Trading's not everything. I know it's addicting. It's fun as hell. Oh, I love it more than anything. Trust me, guys. Trust me. I am a degenerate when it comes to this stuff. But today was a win because we followed the rules, because we followed the strategy. We didn't gamble. We waited. We were patient. And yeah, all I can say and leave you with at the end of this video is just trust the process and just keep planting those little seeds in your head. It's not gonna happen overnight or in a couple hours or a couple days or a couple of weeks or even months. It could take a year for you to get funded. But just keep practicing. Don't give up. Do not give up, especially when it gets hard. Really, really hard. That is when you know you're on the right path, man. Like, I promise you that. And get some other people that'll help you, like, trade, hold you accountable. So if you guys want to join the Discord we have below, me and a homie who are trading, we go over the market probably at 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time before Top Step TV comes on. Just explaining our strategy for the day. We fill out the Top Step freaking playbook, little thingamajig. I think it's this. Oh shit, where'd it go? That's not it. I don't know where it went, to be honest with you, but oh yeah, this thing right here. Alright, so yeah, this morning, every morning I go over this now and I fill it out. Every single morning, okay? And ever since I've done that, I have had winning day after winning day after winning day, even if it was just $200. Today it was $2,500. All right, and that's just a good sign, I think, for 2024. Especially with how good of a night I had last night, you know, skinny dipping with some pretty fine girls at the bar. So yeah, overall, it was a good New Year. I hope you all had a happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Tune in tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 8 o'clock Eastern, if you want to see us go over the prep work for the day and our plan, go over the trading checklist, see what levels we got, and maybe I'll even have Bookmap tomorrow, finally, so that way we have even easier access to see liquidity and liquidation zones, because that'll make things so much easier. Anyway, guys, I love all you. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and share it with someone, and join the Discord. It's free to join. It's free to join the Discord, guys. So just join it if you want to be around other traders who are trying to help each other, keep each other accountable, to follow their strategy and their process, not your P&L. Your profits don't mean shit at all. Okay, that's gonna come with time when you focus on the process and you focus on your principles. Otherwise, you're just gambling, man. So yeah, keep that in mind and have a great day. I mean, love you all. Peace out.